what you can see here is basically our cavernous sinus. Okay. Now I'm going to start with the contents of the cavernous sinus. What are the contents of the cavernous sinus? Because in the cavernous sinus, we are going to have few contents on the outside and few contents on the inside of the cavernous sinus. Where is exactly the cavernous sinus is located? The cavernous sinus is located on either side of the Shilatarshika, right? So this area was our Shilatarshika. This is our Darshan Shila, right? This is our Shilatarshika. So on each side of the Shilatarshika, the cavernous sinus, how many cavernous sinus are there? One on the right side, another one is on the left side. So there are two cavernous sinus located on each side of the Shilatarshika. Okay. Next, what are the contents? So on the outer aspect, we are having 4 contents. This is what? Now you know the names of this, right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So lateral wall components. First of all, these are oculomotor nerve. Second one, this is our trochlear nerve. This is our ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve, and this is our maxillary division of the trigeminal nerve. Perfect. Okay. Now, what are the 2 more contents we can have, which will be on the inner aspect, right? What we can have?
Internal carotid artery.
Cut the area. Okay. So what we can see, I have cut this segment, right? So what we can see here? See, the internal carotid artery is transmitting through the cavernous sinus, and also there is another nerve. This is our what nerve? Abduction nerve. So laterally we have the oculomotor, trochlear, the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal, and the maxillary division of the trigeminal. And the medial aspect, we had the internal carotid artery and the abduction nerve. Now, will you forget these contents any more? I hope not. Right? Yes, no? Okay.